is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for fish. Fish. G is for grapes. Grapes. H is for house. House. I is for igloo. Igloo. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish. K is for kite. Kite. L is for lion. Lion. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for nest. Nest. O is for orange. Orange. P is for pizza. Pizza. Q is for question. Question. R is for ring. Ring. S is for snake. Snake. T is for train. Train. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for van. Van. W is for watch. Watch. X is for box. Box. Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Z is for zoo. Zoo. So many things is for you to learn about. So many ways to sing your song. So many things is for you to learn about. So many ways to sing your song. So many things is for you to learn about. So many ways to sing your song.